Hello friends, I'm Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel CYANVAS. Today we will discuss about a composition. A few days ago, Rajiv requested me to draw a tutorial of a vegetable salad. So Rajiv, today I made this one. I made this one for you. So it was a very simple composition and not too easy composition. So here I have shown the process how you'll draw the vegetable salad. So friends, at first I have done the process. At first you have to complete the gesture drawing very lightly, and after that you can complete full drawing. Just I was thinking that it's better if you collect some image, or if you go any marketplace for collecting some sorts, then it's better for you, because just it was done myself. I think I have seen this type of pictures and I have done, but if you want to learn this type of composition, it's better if you go outdoor and if you collect some different type of objects and subject, then you will get so many different things. So it's better, I think. So Rajiv, I have done this one. So at first you have to complete the gesture drawing properly. Just you have to make very easily with some easy geometrical shapes. After complete the gesture drawing, you have to complete the figure, then you can complete the objects and another figure. So in this way I have done whole drawing. So I don't want to say that if you copy my drawing you will learn so many things. It's not good, because if you collect this type of subject like fish seller, marketplace, tea stall and vegetable seller, it's better if you observe something from outside. If you go outdoor, it's better. So maybe if you try, you can get some help from me, but I suggest you that try to go outdoor and collect some different type of figures from marketplace, then you will get so many things. You can get so many vegetable seller related objects and things, then you will get more things. So don't worry, here I have shown the process how you will draw this one. I told already, but it's better if you collect the subject from outdoor. Okay, so here I will not say anything about the subject. I told you that it's a very common subject, vegetable seller, but I suggest you that all of you, if you want to collect some outdoor, if you collect some subject from outdoor, then you will learn so many things. So I think it's better. And from few days I did not get the scope to publish video, and when I got the message that Rajiv asked me that, sir, I need this type of subject, vegetable seller, and then I was thinking that I got the subject, but I did not get the scope to collect the subject from outdoor. So I have done myself, but it's better if I also collect the subject from outdoor, if I show the process from this type of things. Previously I have shown that how you will draw so many things from a subject, and how you will draw so many different subject from a subject. So here also you can do if you want. Here I have shown young man, not young man, here I have shown a young boy. He is selling vegetables and a lady is collecting the vegetables. So here I have shown the process. Also if I wanted, then I can add more figure, but I have not shown the more figure, because I focus only two figures. One man, or not man, one boy is selling the vegetables, and a woman is collecting the vegetables. Okay, so friends, try to complete this composition. I will not complete the color here, just I have shown the only drawing process. Okay, all of you, bye. And I want to request all of you, please, if you need any subject, then I will get also some subject from your choice. It's, you know, sometimes I am not also not getting the scope to draw. I mean, sometimes I did not get particular subject. I was confused. I was confused that how today what we will do. Then I was thinking that if I complete Rajiv request, then it's good. Then all of you, please give your advice and give your own choice subject, and definitely I'll try to complete this type of things and this your subject. So friends, here I will not say anything and try to complete this one, and tata and bye bye and take care.
You